Hey everyone, and welcome if it is your first time here. If not, welcome back. And today I'm going to be sharing how I pack my Ryla Ready Pack as my tech bag. So let's get to it. This is my Ryla and it is stuffed. I normally don't keep my camera in here, but I just want to show you that if you really wanted to, it can fit. So first of all, this is the Ryla Ready in the brown color. I love it. It's such a great bag. It's not just for a diaper bag. I absolutely love it as my tech bag. I have been missing using it as a diaper bag lately, but I just can't bring myself to take everything out of here. Let me just stop talking and go right into it. In this front pocket, which is usually the mommy pocket, I have a couple of things. I have a small set piece by Jujubee, and in here this is a cable for charging some extra batteries. These are actually off-brand, but they have good reviews. I don't think that I mentioned this. I have a Canon EOS M50 and I do have a spare battery for it from the Canon brand, but I got these just in case I am in a pinch and need some extra juice. I have these. So also in that front pocket I have a Jujubee lanyard in the black magic, and this is a little remote. I actually use this for my phone and I haven't used it in a long time, and I don't have anything else in this front pocket. In this side pocket I would usually keep my Manfrotto little tripod. It's a mini tripod. I'm using it right now, that's why it's not in there, but I will insert a picture of it in this pocket because it does fit. I don't have anything in this back pocket because again it is stuffed. And on the other side I have my GorillaPod tripod just hanging out there. These are so awkward to put away because they never can lay flat, but it's in that pocket. And then opening this bag up, so this is kind of what you see once you open the bag. This came with my camera. It is a little camera bag. It has a front pocket, and in here I have my extra battery from Canon with the charger. I like having it in here because if I ever run out of my battery, I just switch it and put this one on the charger and I always have battery. This is what it looks like on the inside. I have some slots, and in here I have some SD cards. And at the bottom of the bag, I have the kit lens that comes with the camera. This is a 15-45. So that's what's in here. I told you, I don't really carry a lot. Then you can kind of see what's in there. Right here on the side, this is usually right on top like this. Take two. This is usually right on top. This is a medium set piece by Jujubee, and in here what I keep is my microphone. Oh, and the lipstick that I just put on. Oops. I have the little windshield in here, and this is where I store my microphone, but I'm using it right now. I have the Rode Micro, I think it's called, but I also have this other microphone. This is by Boya. It has a super long cable, and all you do is you clip it to your shirt, and it works really great. Over here, this is my laptop. This is, I think, a 13-inch laptop. It's one by Apple. It's really thin, so it fits in there with no problem. I like this case because it keeps it nice and slim, and it's by Snug. I got this on Amazon, and it has a little pocket in the back. This back pocket, I'm not sure if there's anything. No, there isn't anything in this back pocket. In the bottle pocket, I don't have anything in this one. And over here, I actually have, this is kind of like a monopod for your phone. And lastly, I have this right here. I actually found this thanks to XO Livy. She shared it once. And this just has a couple of my cords, and then it has more like loops here with elastics and a zip pocket. This is where I have my hard drive. This has my editing software and all of my YouTube videos on there. In the second compartment, which is a little bit bigger, this is where I keep my charging cable for my laptop. In here I have more charging cables, an extra set of headphones. I also keep this little adapter in here because I never use it, but I don't want to lose it. That is everything I am carrying in my Ryla as a tech bag. I think that if you are like myself, I don't have a lot of gear, and what I have is pretty compact. This bag is amazing. I absolutely love it. It's great quality. I have a lot of videos on it. If you don't carry a lot of tech gear, like myself, this is probably more than enough room for you. And what makes this a great bag is that most tech gear is heavy. So having a backpack instead of like a crossbody helps distribute the weight a lot better. So if you are looking for a Ryla, know that you can use this past the diaper bag stage. I absolutely love it as my tech bag. I might be switching it out soon because I just miss using it. I do have a discount code and an affiliate link if you want to shop through me. It's in the description box below. I hope that you enjoyed this or found it useful. If you did, show me with a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already by clicking the button that will show up right around here in a little bit. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.